Finley, who's this? Who is that? Dora. You want it?
Okay.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Finley, can you say yellow?
Hello.
What color is your shirt? What color is Finley's shirt?
Blue.
Can you say Finley? Hey, can you say Finley? What are you watching?
Singing.
Singing, yeah, American Idol. Were you dancing too? Good job! Woo! Good job! What are you doing?
Working a wall.